Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Bubba J's Garage. Let's pack a fatty.
Mint.
Yeah, we don't do that wintergreen shit. It's cold. Alright, on today's episode, we got Alan's 78 Scottsdale C10 again. What we're going to do is, we're going to take this red thing, something that goes louder, I don't know, adds about...
I think it's a muffler.
Oh yeah, muffler, yeah, that's what it is. Adds about 0.6 to 60 more horsepower to your vehicle. Depends on how you set it up. But we're going to take that. We have another one over here. Right here. We're going to take these two cherry bomb glass packs and put them on this bad bitch right here and make it sound a lot meaner.
You bring the duct tape?
Oh, you got zip ties?
Yeah.
Got them? Alright. Well, stay tuned for a little bit. Alright, well, that saw wasn't really as good as I thought it was going to be, but it made a nice clean cut along these edges. So now that we got the rest of the pipe down, we're going to leave these ones up here and hook into them. With those red things. What are those things called?
Mufflers.
Mufflers, glasspacks, made by cherry bomb, I think. Well, stay tuned for another up. Turns out we need some bigger coupling. So then once we get back, we can put on the rest of the pipe and see how it sounds. But until then, we're gonna take the minivan here and go get the parts. So we'll see you back here in a couple minutes.
So update. We thought we got the right stuff. Did we?
Turns out we didn't. So now we gotta go back. This time we have the whole pipe itself. And we're gonna take it in there with us and see what we can get to fit it.
Remember guys, don't lose your receipts like I did.
Always keep your receipts, just in case you gotta return that shit.
We'll let you know how this goes. Alright guys, we're back.
Back again. So we ended up going back to the fucking store again to get more pieces that actually fit this time. Now, in theory, and the ways of Bubba J, they all should fit now. And I'm hoping they do, because I ain't got no more fucking money to keep going back to the store. So stay tuned for more information of how this is going. Well, that'll do it. You got the chicken wire up there?
I got it.
Chicken wire holding it good?
Hey, good, nice.
Alright, well, let's come out here. Well, we couldn't really finish it yesterday, so we had to come out here to the Walmart parking lot where my buddy Al right here, where he's working. And well, we finished putting the pipe on, as you see. So Al's over here, he's gonna start it up for us and see how it sounds. Come over here, the camera person. Yeah, there we go. Start her up, let's hear this thing. Now as you hear that low roar, that's the cherry bomb glass pack doing what they do best. And that is disturbing the peace since 1968. Give it a little gas. Oh. Yeah, got a little chubby on that one. Alright, you can cut her off now. Well, that's it for today on this episode.